Nearly 600 kilometres of road have been either directly or indirectly impacted by the fires. All of the agencies involved in bushfire response and recovery are working as quickly as we possibly can to get you reconnected with the things that are important to you, but safety is absolutely paramount. After a fire, we have real issues with the management of trees adjacent to our roadsides, and a lot of the areas where the bushfires have gone through are heavily wooded areas.
So today we're on the Murray Valley Highway. The Murray Valley Highway is high traffic. We've been up here for 2 weeks now with a team of 8 arborists, and we're taking out immediate hazard trees. The fires hit pretty hard. Once it sort of got going, the size of it then started to kick into everyone, I think, and how fast it was moving.
While some of these trees have the potential to fall on people and seriously injure them or kill them. It's a bit of an eye-opener to see how much damage and how hot it must have been up here.
I've got a couple of friends in the Upper Murray that have lost farms. They've lost a lot of their cattle. One of my friends said he shot about 300.
We deployed here in Quarry a week ago with the elements that we need to provide support. Combat engineering comprises of route clearance teams with chainsaws, working with contracted arborists in consultation with Regional Roads Victoria. Some of the farmers find it difficult emotionally to go back onto their paddocks and see what's been destroyed, so we've been able to lean forward with the local council to support them by disposing of those carcasses.
We still have very much active fire in other parts of the region, so those roads could be closed for some weeks to come. It's our responsibility to work with those emergency services to get that connectivity back in place to really help in community recovery.